today's lesson. I'm Shariat from CPRO e-learning management system. We are back in our phonics class, and this is primary 1, term 1, and we are having our lesson 33. We are having our lesson 33 today, and now our lesson 33 today is about a certain sound. A certain sound. Look at this sound. This is sound. Have you ever seen this sound anywhere? Alright. This is sound. G is silent. G is silent. So we say a strong sound. And we say Can you say it again? One more time. Have you heard it? Alright. Now, I have a song for you. I know maybe you might be knowing this song. We can sing together. Can we sing together? Yes. We go. If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, and you really want to show that you're strong and you know it, say That has been the song. Have you enjoyed it? Wonderful. As I told you that today, we are looking at sound. We are looking at sound. Remember I told you this sound is silent this side. So we say a strong Are you hearing? Let's say it again. Sound That's wonderful. Now I have a story. I want you to listen to this story. The story goes, listen attentively. One day, my friend said she was strong. She lifted a long log, but it was very heavy. She lifted it and said, She lifted it and said, That is the story. That is the story. Now, let's go to our sound. Alright, we are going to blend and form words using this sound. We are going to blend and form words using this sound. Let's blend. Have my sounds here. Look here. Let's sound this. This is ha. This is ha. And we put the sound and we read ha. Ha. Remember the last sound is silent. The last sound is silent. Okay, let's say the word. Let's say the word. The word is The word is Can you say it one more time? Good. Look at this. This is ra. And ra. The word is round. Okay, we can read it. Here is the word. Let's read it. Round. One more time. Round. Okay. Let's move and look at another word. I have this one here. Let's blend. We go slowly as we learn. We move slowly. This is la. This is la. And we put our sound la, la, and with the word The word is lamb. Remember, the last sound is silent. Lung. Do you know the lungs? Okay, lungs are found in a person's body. Okay, we use lungs for breathing. Alright. Let's move. Have another other sounds here. Let's blend them and we form a word. Remember, we are on sound and we are blending our sounds. Then we form words. That's wonderful. Let's read this. This is sa. This is sa. I don't want to sound you single sound because you learned them in baby class, in middle class, and then top class. This is primary 1. We can join these vowel combinations and then we blend. Alright. Let's blend. We have sa. This is sa. Then our sound sa. Sa. And the word is sang. The word is sang. Okay. Yesterday we sang a nice song. The past tense of the word sing. Okay. Let's go. And this is the word sang. Alright. Let's move. Let's blend these sounds and we form a word. We have we and we and the word is wing. Okay, you can see how we have blended these sounds. Look at this. We have we and we have formed a word wing. That is a wing. Okay? A bird has a wing. Even an aeroplane has a wing. Okay? Move. Let's blend this. Let's blend these sounds. We have ba. This is ba. And ba. Ba. And the word is bang. The word is bang. Okay, don't bang those tables. You're making noise for us. Somebody is banging outside. Are you hearing that word? Alright, and this is the word bang. Bang. Yes. Now, my friend, those have been blend. So we have been blending. We have been blending sounds to form words. And we can even call them flames of sound. Now, let's look at some sentences. Okay, look at this sentence. Let's read it together. We can read it together. Okay, the man is strong. The man is strong. The man is strong. Look at that man. He's a very strong man. The man is strong. Let's look at another sentence. Okay. The chick has a ring. The chick has a ring. Let's look at this sentence. Okay, let's read. Sarah sings a long song. Let's read it one more time. Sarah sings a long song. Okay, have you heard the words with sound? That's wonderful. I know now you can read very many words, very many sentences with sound. Okay, now go and read to your mother. Read to your father. Tell him how you know how to read. That's wonderful. Now, that has been our lesson for today. We meet in the next lesson. Let's meet in the next lesson. I wish you a nice time. Bye-bye.